a.m., so just about 1 o'clock in the morning, February 13th. We are working on today. We spent the whole day working on marketing stuff. For everybody, pledge your support on the right-hand corner for Kickstarter off of our YouTube channel. We're really excited to get that material out there for you guys. We got a lot of great videos still yet to post up, probably another 50 to 100 that we still have. We're really pushing this, and we're going to start sitting down with the different organizations that we want to, bring on board to help with a lot of this. We know that we want to reach out to, a lot of the diabetics out there, because right off the bat, we know a diabetic's going to know exactly what it is that I'm doing. But what's really novel and what's really amazing about the Pod Pack is that it is universal for everybody. So that's great. It's not just a diabetic thing. It just was really just highly inspired by diabetes. So at the end of the day, please go to the Kickstarter campaign, check it out, leave reviews, ideas. We definitely want to get as many ideas as possible from everybody, because at the end of the day, everybody does have different experiences, and we want to capture those and see which ones are repetitive in everybody's day, and use that as fuel to create and craft this thing to be just right, just perfect for everybody. So like I said, we're super psyched, and we'll continue to give you guys updates as we keep going through the campaign, and as we post up more material and results and everything else for you guys to see. So stay amped, stay excited. We're still gunning for a release date of the prototypes in August of 2019. Our plan with that is to launch a very large campaign with test runs for a good sized select group of people to receive them and to just do some crazy stuff with them. We have huge ambitions to take this thing international for testing. We want to test it in all the extreme climates and different conditions. And so as we get through entering spring, and we'll start giving you some more details on how that program is going to work and how you sign up for that. So with that, like I said, we'll give you guys an update later. Here you're out.